is just dark. So maybe there's a chicken there. You can kind of see an outline of something, but it's harder to tell with the darker shell color. Sorry about the disaster of a basement down here. As most things in this house, it's a constant work in progress. But we are starting our incubation journey. I don't know if you can see that there. Our little incubation journey with the Brinsea Maxi II Advance. I've got the instructions here. Nicole is over there in the darkness trying to candle some eggs. We're trying to figure this out because this isn't something we've ever done before. I also brought down the little chicken plushie, because babies like toys, like little plushies, and I figured they might like it. So that's your reject pile?
That's my reject pile. That's for the fridge.
So why? Can you show me some candling?
Well, some of these I just don't think they're far along enough. Like, a lot of these, they all light up. And you can see some darkness here, but a lot of that, like if you move it, you can see that that would just probably be the yolk. I could be wrong, but...
Show me one of the other ones. So that's a brown egg.
There's no...
There doesn't seem to be anything in there. Okay, what are some of the fertilized ones? Is this one of our Easter eggers, so that's why it's blue?
These ones I have a hard time kind of telling, but it does look like half of it lights up, and then you have like this dark bit up here. So, I put it in the maybe.
Ain't looking for much of many, 'cause we got plenty.
I'm excited about the Easter eggers.
Nicole and I started our egg hatching journey a few weeks ago. We did a little research online and just kind of went for it. We've got a rooster, we've got chickens, so why not give it a try?
I'm an idiot. I need definitive instructions. What is this? Hatching mat, power supply, assembly, fit water guard. Okay. Location and installation. Okay, we got it plugged in. Incubation temperature range 20 to 40 degrees Celsius. Remaining days left. Eggs are due to hatch. Must be set for each new batch. Range 40 to 0. Turning mode.
Don't be put off by my reading the instructions. Hatching eggs is really pretty simple. They need two things over their 21-day incubation period, for chicken eggs, that is. They need warmth more than anything, about 100.5 degrees Fahrenheit or 38 degrees Celsius, as if they'd be nestled under their mother hen. And they need humidity, again, how it would be if they were nestled under a chicken butt.
Okay, we are on day, I don't even remember what day it is. Day 16 today. 16 days left. So that means we're on day 5. And you would like to candle some.
Mm-hmm. We don't want to hurt the baby.
Okay, we can put it back.
Okay, baby's going back to sleep. Sometimes it cries.
You can't really see through it as well as you can the white one.
No, that's the problem, so I don't know. Oh, what was that?
There's something in there.
I don't know, like... And I can't tell if that's just like... I can't tell if that's the yolk that we're seeing. But
or if there's actually something developing.
yeah, because I don't see the veins in that one.
I think they're right there.
Once you know what you're looking for, candling is super easy. And candling is just shining a light up through the egg to see what's inside.
You can see, there is a baby chicken there.
After 5 days in the incubator, our eggs were certainly showing signs of life. The blue and green eggs were harder to tell because the shells were just so opaque, but the white eggs were always super easy to see through.
So it's most likely not fertilized, because that is just a yolk in there. Can't see much other than that yolk. There's no developing chick. Or at least it doesn't look like it.
So unfortunately, you don't always get it right. You're trying to compare a picture on Google to this egg that you've got in your hands, and your light isn't as powerful as their light was. So you're just confused pretty well. So you hope for your best. But I think one of the coolest things I've ever seen is a chick move inside of a developing egg.
She might not, or it might not do it now that I'm out there. I don't know if it's hot, but did you see that?
Mm-hmm. It moved. The baby chicken.
There. Moving in there.
It's alive.
Second class gave me away and now I'm trying to fake it. Not ready, but we've already started. I'm not ready, but we're already falling. Hey, listen close, can you tell? What we're ready for, ready whispering. Don't you go, can you tell? What we're ready for me more.
Oh, I guess I'm gonna look different in this video because I haven't revealed that I have a shaved head yet. Shaved head. Today's the day that the eggs in the incubator go into lockdown, so hopefully in 5-ish days we should see them coming out as baby chicks. So we're going to candle them for the one last time and show you kind of what they look like at 5 days pre-hatching. So here is the incubator.
With 5 days left on the count, the eggs are put into lockdown, where you stop candling so they have consistent humidity and temperature so as to have the best chance of hatching. You'll also want to slide in a non-slip mat for the base so that the chicks, when they hatch, they don't slip and hurt their legs.
It just so the chicks don't slip when they hatch, because it'll give them splayed legs if they like do the splits and get all slippery on there. So you gotta get off the cord. Okay.
Oh my love, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know. Oh my,
Good morning, girls.
I don't know where I'm going. I don't know where I'm going. I don't know.
Baby, you gotta come see it! It's a fresh one! He's so cute! Oh my goodness! We made chickens!
We made a baby chicken. He's pissed. I don't know. Do I have to leave him in there?
No, he's gotta come out.
Are you sure? But I thought they were on lockdown and you don't open it until...
How you have to feed it?
I wasn't prepared for this.
Me neither.
Oh no, this is not good. I wasn't ready for baby chickens yet. I thought I had a few days. I thought I had until the weekend. Oh no.
Our confusion and ill-preparedness is coming from the fact that we weren't expecting these chicks for another few more days. The timer still had 6 days left, so we were a little dumbfounded.
Get a good picture of you.
Now, we did exactly what you were not supposed to do. We took out the first chick, but he's fine. After a quick inspection, we noticed a few more eggs were on the verge of hatching as well.
Oh, it's happening. I did it more. Saw it? Yeah.
our first time hatching chickens was a lot easier than I anticipated it being. We just kind of threw them in the incubator, and I don't know if it was the incubator was so good or we just kind of had it easy, I suppose. I've got another batch on right now. We actually have a shortage of chickens in New Brunswick right now, and actually I think it's across the country and maybe across North America. So we ended up selling our 12 chicks that we ended up hatching. 2 of them, like you probably saw in the video, were not fertilized because we had no idea what we were doing. But regardless, we have checked these ones. These ones seem to be doing well. And the girls, I got a couple, actually I think I have 4 broody hens right now that are in the coop, and hopefully will give us some chicks in the near future. So we are just waiting on those. I think the eggs in the incubator right now have about 15 days left. So hopefully these ones don't come early, but regardless, I'm excited. I love being able to make, breed, and keep all of our own food.
If you are not yet subscribed, what are you doing? You are missing out on weekly episodes of Homegrown. If you have not seen our older episodes, check out our homesteading journey, and we will see you next week.